Hey friends, if you encounter the error download failed, virus detected while downloading from Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run a full system antivirus scan. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab. Select Scan options. Select Full Scan. Scroll down. Click on Scan Now. This will start scanning for the files and maybe fix them if possible. But if you are very sure that the threat is not actually a threat and you wish to allow that file to download from Google Chrome, then click on these three dots at the top right corner and select Settings. Search for the word Save and hit Enter. Under the security section, you will find secure safe browsing. Click on this and then scroll down and click on no protection and turn it off, and then download the file whatsoever and then change it back to standard protection. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.